Why is this level so huge? Oh no. King Pig? What? There's some birds over there! Ah! They have a slingshot! They have patrols! I'm hiding behind you. I sat on him. Well, I'll make a little carrier for the King Pig. Thank you. Then I'll make one for me and Mr. Skully. This isn't gonna work, you know. I don't care. Shh. Shh. Quiet. We don't want to wake up the birds. Oh, that was easy. Oh. I was kind of expecting that to be kind of hard. Well, I'm just gonna get out and then go back in so, you know, I can, I want to see what happens if we get attacked by the birds. Also, there's a crate in there. Yes, I had to watch a cringy ad for it. What if we, like, alert the birds? Hey, birds! Wake up, you birdies! Whoa! Oh! King Pig! They're coming! They're shooting at you! Oh, look, some ice cream. No! It's coming! It's going for Mr. Skully! Oh, never mind. It's going past everybody. It's leaving. A dream is a wish your heart makes when you're fast. Oh, asleep. Ouch! Are you okay? They're coming! Remove your heartaches. No matter where your heart is leaving, and you are believing the dream that you wish will come true. We did it! Again. Bye! Yeah, I was expecting that level to be kind of hard. I know. What about you, Mr. Skully? I was kind of scared. I didn't want to get hit by any birds, but I don't know. I guess I'm fine. Yeah. Wait, you can talk?